So hi everyone and welcome back to Code with Pratik. So in today's video I'm going to tell you all the steps that are required by you to do for getting the credits that are required while doing the hands-on labs in the CloudReadyFacilitator program. Okay, so I hope you all must have registered until now, and if not registered yet, do register as soon as possible because the program has limited number of seats. Additionally, if you are not getting any link for registration, do comment below and let me know so I can provide you with the registration or enrollment link where you can enroll. So once you enroll in the form, it would take 24 hours, around 24 hours for you to get an email about enrollment. Okay, so very first, the enrollment mail might go in the spam box as I'll show you here. So what you need to do is just go in the spam box and you will find this email. Okay, so do remember, what you need to do is that you need to mark this email as not spam. Only then the links or the buttons in this email would be clickable. Okay, that is, you will be able to access them. So how to do that? So if you are using Gmail onto your mobile phone, simply tap and hold that email and then click on the report not spam button. Okay, or if you are doing on your browser, what you can do is simply remove that label and then it would go straight into your inbox. Okay, so once your email is in your inbox, what you need to do is follow these steps. So your email contains a unique. This email contains a unique code that is specifically assigned to you. Okay, so do not share that code with anyone. This is the very first point you need to remember. So how do you get that first credit that is required to do the first lab, after which you are eligible to get the credits? Okay, simply scroll down and here you can see open incognito window on your browser. Okay, and then you need to paste this URL. So alternatively, what you can do is simply right click on the given URL and click on open in new incognito window. Okay, and then what you need to do is you need to copy your code and paste the code in the input box. So you need to paste your own code here and just verify that you are not a robot. So simply select whatever it tells you to, and once you do that, just click on verify and click submit. So once you click on submit, so once you enter the code, now you need to sign in into your CloudSkillsBoost account. So now I'll just sign in and then I'll show you the further steps. So once you sign in your profile, you need to perform this hands-on lab. This lab is exactly in front of you. So just click on the start lab, and when you click on start lab button, so once you click on start lab button, you will get this kind of pop-up box. Okay, so this is the lab that you need to do. That is a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs. In this lab, you will get all the details and fundamental knowledge of using Google Cloud Console and the quick labs to do your further labs that you need to do. Okay, so do go through it completely, complete all the tasks that are given to you, that are told to you as it is. Okay, just don't skip any task or any step that is being told to you. Only then you will get the subscription that is required for you to do the labs and complete the tracks and those milestones. Okay, so I'll now just skip to the part where I have completed this lab and I'll show you what to do next. So once your lab is completed, I'll repeat, make sure that you spend at least 7 to 8 minutes. For a safer side, I would advise you to spend at least 10 minutes in this lab and perform all the tasks that are being told to you. And once you complete all the steps, make sure to click the end lab button. Again, do not end this lab before 6 to 7 minutes. You need to spend at least 6 to 7 minutes, but again I'll repeat, you can spend at least 10 minutes and that would be a safer side, and that way you won't face any difficulties for the further process. So now I'll just skip to the next step where I have completed this lab and I have clicked on the end lab button. So once you complete the lab, what you can do is just to verify if you have received the monthly subscription pass, click on your account name and you will be able to see here that you have received the monthly subscription pass. Okay, what you can do is just click on that and you will be taken to a page where you can verify that you have received your subscription that is expiring on June 26th. And as you all know, this program would be running until 25th of June, and this subscription will help you do and perform all the labs until 25th of June. Okay, so also do remember, in some cases it might take some time for the pass to arrive, as there might be some reasons. So at least wait for around 20 to 25 minutes, and even after that, if you don't get your monthly subscription pass, what you can do is you can reach out to me. So if you are in any of the groups that I am coordinating to, you can post your queries on the group, or if you are not in the group, just put your queries in the chat section or the comment section below and I'll answer them all. So do follow these steps and you will get the monthly subscription pass. Okay, so again repeating, it might take around 20 to 30 minutes even after you complete the lab for your credits to be provisioned. So if it is not provisioned even after 30 minutes, then feel free to reach out to me. Then yes, in the rest of the email you have got all the details, so do go through it, and if you face any difficulties, feel free to reach out. Again, yes, thank you for watching, and if you haven't really subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to this channel and do like this video and share it with your friends too. And yes, again, thank you for watching.